Guys, I just started our cruise off with a big fat lie. I have no idea how to swim, so you guys will be on your own for that. Yeah, what's the saying they use? Oh, yeah, a good captain goes down with her ship, and thank goodness I'm not a captain. I'm a skipper, meaning I skip away from mine when it goes down. Yeah. Well, everyone, unfortunately, we are beginning our adventure here on the Amazon rainforest, where it rains 365 days a year. Do you guys know that's almost every day? I just learned that, so I thought I would share with you guys. I thought I would inspire you guys with just a little bit of knowledge. And speaking of inspiration, right over there is the beautiful Inspiration Falls. Everybody, can I get an ooh? Can I get an ah? Well, you guys sure don't sound like inspiration to me. Yeah, you guys have actually inspired me to go to a completely different continent. Don't ask me how I did that. But now we're on the Congo River, so let's see how far this boat can't go. What do you say? What do you say? Only goes down for there, folks, just like my last boat. Boats, speaking of them, if you guys enjoy your time here on this one, we recommend you rent a canoe to have your own kind of adventure. I would totally come with you guys, yeah, totally. But they won't rent to me anymore. That's just the incident. But that's beneath us now, though. We no longer have to worry about it. We do, however, have to worry about, why does it always have to be snakes? Alright, cool right there, Hawkeye! Alright, you guys, right over there, that is our cartography camp. The interesting little tidbit for you guys is that those photos right up there have actually made the map that I'm using right now. I lost it. But it seems like this is really fluid, though, to make sure that you think so. And now, everyone, our adventure is taking us onto the Nile River, which goes on for Niles, and Niles, and Niles. But if you guys do not believe me, you guys are in a boat. You guys are in a boat. Yeah. Okay, guys, right there, that is an African bull elephant. And a very fun fact about elephants for you all, they actually have the best memory in the entire animal kingdom. I wish I had a memory like that. But you'd really help me with my job. Make sure we stay fully seated. Thank you very much. You'd really help me with my job. Oh my gosh, guys, an elephant! Do you know that elephants actually have the best memory in the entire animal kingdom? I wish I had a memory like that. I think you'd really help me with my job. Elephants, speaking of them, they're one of the many different animals we have here today on the African belt. And just for your guys' listening displeasure, I'm going to name them all. Yeah, we have, gazelles, gnu's, giraffes, zebras, vultures, and lions. Okay, yeah, guys, that right there is exactly how a zebra sleeps. Yeah, on its side, with its legs straight out, and its neck bent down 90 degrees. Anyway, moving on. Yeah, we got do what we're going to do. Take it right up the heart. We're going to see. We're going to see nothing. Yeah, absolutely nothing. It's totally not a skipper. And just crazy laughed at my hyena because one, that would be really embarrassing for them. And two, if you guys don't see anything, then I don't have to do the paperwork. Yeah, if I really don't want to do the paperwork, please don't make me do the paperwork. Hypothetically speaking, though, if we did just see exactly what I just described, this is why we keep our hands inside the boat at all times. Yeah. Okay, guys, right there, that is Smiley and his girlfriend Ginger. Careful with Ginger, though. Yeah. Make sure we are firmly seated all times. Yep, thank you very much. Careful with Ginger, though. Ginger's now. Yeah. She's a real tough chick. Knowing that on the hard day. That's usually 5, 6, 7 hours and every single day. And now you can put your hands out and give you a flight to the ball. As we pass it, you guys might feel a little bit of it. Do not worry. That's completely natural. The natural thing about that is it's a 10,000 different types of jungle parasites you can as well contract from it. A little bit of jungle for you guys to take home with you. And speaking a little bit to the jungle, that one right there is my favorite one. Now I know it doesn't look like much and it might seem a little plain, but it's my home away from home, you know, it's just a real safe place to crash. I just wait till I show you guys the pool in the back of you guys are gonna love it. Yeah. I forgot to mention the pool is a hippo pool, but if you guys are really quietly keep it happen, yeah, there's the illustrated sounds of babies calling out for their mothers. So everyone, let's take a listen and see if we can hear them. What do you say? Wow, you guys, wow, nature really is amazing. Really once in a lifetime opportunity here at the world famous jungle cruise. And, oh, guys, look at that, new skippers. Looks like I'm wearing it. What do you say? I have no idea who thought of that. Or even hired him. Who hired me? Anyway, moving on, you guys. Speaking of new things, I actually heard we were starting an entomology program. Yeah! I'm gonna be real honest here, guys. I have no idea what an entomologist does. It really bugs me. But moving on, everyone, this is the moment you would like for. It is the glorious, it's the stupendous, it's the eighth wonder of the world, everybody. It is the back side of water! Stay hydrated, folks. No, seriously, guys, it's almost 100 degrees outside. Stay hydrated. Now, as we leave the backside of water, we head out to the Mekong River. You guys want to know how I know it's called the Mekong River? It's Mekong me nervous. But guys, looks like we're going in here, so you guys are going to keep your eyes open, because I will be keeping my clothes. Yeah, I'm scared of the dark. And the tub. And the big one and the gentle. So, put your hands down. I didn't hear any small child size clumps in there, so I think you're lying to me. Well, everyone, it looks like we made it out into the elephant bathing pool, but it's alright. It's a-okay. You guys can take as many pictures as you want. Yeah, guys, they all have their trunks on. No need to be embarrassed. They're all decent. And, guys, look at that. 2 baby elephants playing under a full moon. Nature really is amazing. It just cracks me. Guys, common misconception about the elephant. A lot of people think that it's water that they're blowing out of their trunks, but it's not. Also on the topic of elephants, did you guys know that they actually have the best memory in the entire animal kingdom? I wish I had a memory like that. I wish it really helped me with my job, don't you think? Oh my gosh, guys, the lost and found. I mean the gift shop. Gosh, my memory is not what it used to be. Whoever decided a ride should end and go directly into a gift shop is a total genius. Should really do that more often, don't you think? Guys, a baby elephant. Do you guys know that elephants actually have the best memory in the entire animal kingdom? I wish I had a memory like that. That should really help me with my job, don't you think? Well, everyone, as you round this corner, I am going to make one final safety reminder to please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. Parents, please supervise your children. I won't. Well, everyone, on behalf of all of us here at the world famous Jungle Cruise, I truly do hope you guys have enjoyed your time here today. If you guys have, my name is Skipper Emma, and I really do hope you guys come again. You know what, you guys, I actually have so much fun here today. I'm gonna go again, and again, and again. Ladies, you guys are excited, so get out. Everybody, we now give me a standing ovation and leave my out. Watch your head, watch your step. Make sure to use those handrails. Everybody, please stand up. If the boat sinks, we want you to sink evenly. Please do not cross over anything in the center, you guys. That's going to be a fire hazard. You guys are going to trip and fall, and then I'm going to point and laugh, and then I'm going to get fired. And then they really need to jump up. Please don't fall over.